underground sewage system. You want explanation?
Yes, please.
Our main aim is to avoid global warming. Okay. We follow two methods. First one is underground sewage system. Sewage water from each house comes through two pipelines and enters into the underground sewage system. Then enters into STP, sewage treatment plant. From the first tank up to 100 mm particles are removed, wastage particles are removed. Then second tank also open tank. Here mud and oil are removed. Third tank fermentation occurs. Here two type of bacteria are developed. One is beneficial bacteria, other one is harmful bacteria. The harmful bacteria destroyed due to the absence of air. This is anaerobic condition is maintained. Therefore, beneficial bacteria developed with the help of carbon dioxide produced in this reaction. Okay, only CH4 and traces of H2S enters into the fourth tank. H2S must be eliminated because the engine cheesed. Therefore, H2S is removed by spraying caustic soda through sideways. Now, methane enters into high pressure. Here, methane is ignited by electric spark. Pressure of methane is increased. It is oxidized to carbon dioxide. Then carbon dioxide enters into the engine room. Carbon dioxide rotates the turbine. Therefore, we are getting AC current. Some amount of carbon dioxide may release from engine room. This carbon dioxide must be eliminated by the way of using robot tree. This is robot tree. Robot tree also having leaf part, stem part, root part. Leaf part is nothing but solar panel. Here also we are using innovative method of solar panel, dye sensitized solar cell. Here we are two electrodes, one is working electrode, other is counter electrode. On the working electrode, visibly active N3 dye is coated. On the visibly active N3 dye, titanium oxide nanoparticles are coated. The electron absorbed by nitrogen atom present in the nitrogen atom, then transferred to titanium oxide, then comes to counter electrode. Counter electrode is made up of ITO, indium tin oxide. This is series connection, this is parallel connection. Here we are getting DC current. But the current enters into the stem part. Already calcium hydroxide is filled in the stem part. Carbon dioxide absorbed from the engine room to the stem part. Therefore, electrolysis occurs. Due to electrolysis, carbon dioxide split into carbon and oxygen. The carbon combined with water to give carbonic acid. Carbonic acid enters into the part. Combined with nitrifying bacteria, convert first nitrite, then nitrate. Nitrate is the best fertilizer to the soil. Therefore, no CH4 and methane and carbon dioxide enters into the atmosphere. Global warming is reduced as well as power cut can be managed. 2-in-1 project. This is large process. Process. During the design of septic tank, it is divided into two. From the liquid moves from one part to other part. The septic tank is covered with paddy straw. Therefore, temperature is maintained. Carbon-nitrogen ratio also must be maintained as 30:1. pH also maintained 6.5 to 8. If the conditions are maintained, we are getting methane. Methane is stored here using chicken waste. Methane enters into the box called special energy box. In the special energy box, chromium rod is heated. You see here, chromium rod which is heated to 1400 degrees C. Methane allowed to fall on the chromium rod. Therefore, thermal decomposition occurs, naming pyrolysis. Due to thermal decomposition, methane split into carbon and hydrogen. Carbon is converted into minute particles which is collected by silicon disc and used for manufacturing of tires. The hydrogen enters into other part and allowed to fall on a membrane. This is called polyelectrolytic membrane. The polyelectrolytic membrane allows only H+, not electron. The membrane on the either side of the membrane, perforated carbon and platinum are coated with the help of platinum. H2 is split into H+ and electron. H+ enters into the other part through this membrane, but electron not moves from one side to other side. If electron goes to circuit, we are getting current. other side H plus comes, H plus combined with oxygen to air, therefore water is converted to water, therefore outlet is only water, no methane or carbon dioxide. This is used for individual houses, therefore global warming also reduced, power cut may be managed.